Right, this morning it's all whistle commands and hand signals. So stop whistle. And what we're going to try and do today is try and stop Molly with the stop whistle. So again, we've got the long football field. Got a few balls. I'll have a couple out that way. And a couple out that way. Molly's moved a little bit, but no, I don't think she has. I'm not sure. But anyway. Yeah, she's moved a bit because she's in the wrong. See? She's lying down because she knows she's in the wrong. But I'm not going to say anything this time. So, right, mate. So I'm going to get my whistle ready because I'm going to stop her. Get on. That way. So she might run across to the others, but I don't think so. Right. So I'll get this ball off her. Put it in my pocket. I'm going to send her back and then bring her back before she gets to the ball. Get on. No. Now, it's that bit we've got to stop. When she gets the call whistle, she needs to stop straight away. But we're getting there slowly. I'm going to change hands now. Only this way. Overemphasize the way which direction you want, because if you point up the field, she'll go to either one of them. So back, let her decide which one she wants to go to then. See, if you don't give her instructions, she'll play about. Right, now we know that there's no ball on the left hand side, so I'm going to send her up the left hand side and see if she does anything, you know what I mean. That way. Now she knows there's no ball up there, so she's going straight across. Seen it, attacks it. Right, now there's no balls out there. Let's see what she does do. Get back. Now I'm going to use a whistle. Oh, she got a little magic thing. Now, I don't know whether dogs can think two things at once, but she was looking, did you see, she was looking for the balls and there's none out. So, we'll have to work on that, won't we? Okay, smile for the camera.